CASA 1000, it's projects where the green energy of at least 1,000 megawatts. This will remain as a flagship project for our two countries. Progress in Pakistan is well advanced. It's going to be completed in months ahead. I'm looking forward to visit the project site shortly. We aim to commission it in the next 2 years.
Which city is your one of the favorite city in Pakistan?
It is Lahore, and it's actually Islamabad because it's very greenery. Chicken and mad biryani is my favorite one.
Wow, great.
So we are geographically very close to each other, and we can certainly, by connecting these dots again, will not only benefit bilaterally, but also can become a significant players regionally.
Thank you so much, Excellency Juma Daler Shah Fakir, Honorable Minister for Energy and Water Resource, for giving your precious time. And I hope I pronounced your name correctly.
Absolutely. Thank you, Muhammad Adil Abbasi. I think I did the same.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।